Guys, do you remember in 2008 when banks were handing out loans that clearly could not be paid back? Well, Bank of America is launching a zero down payment mortgage. We knew about this. It was in an earlier video. This is old news, but guess what? Real estate market is going to crash. Real estate market is going to come down. Citadel takes out 8 loans over 3 weeks. Why am I mentioning all of this? Why am I mentioning an asset bubble, which is what occurs when the price of an asset, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or commodities, rises at a rapid pace without underlying fundamentals such as equally fast rising demand to justify the price spike, like the housing market, like the stock market. Why can't clients get their money out of Lebanese banks? Why are banks in Lebanon being robbed? Bank runs are occurring. A bank run occurs when large groups of depositors withdraw their money from banks simultaneously based on fears that the institution will become insolvent. With more people withdrawing money, banks will use up their cash reserves and ultimately end up defaulting. Bank runs have occurred throughout history, including during the Great Depression and the 08-09 financial crisis. Well, why is the 08 market crash literally overlaid on our market collapse right now? Why does it look like it was copy and pasted to what is to come? This is all because all of this is happening right now. Banks are handing out too many loans, right? Citadel just took out loans. A bunch of institutions have been taking out loans. Banks are handing out loans left and right. They did a zero down mortgage loan. Asset bubble pop. Inflation was way too high. People were dumping money into the markets. Markets are now about to pop. The asset bubble is about to pop. Inflation, housing collapse, economic crisis, bank run panic. This is all happening now. What happens during a bank run, right? What happens when a bank defaults? Banks will sell assets even cheaper, which causes the economic downturn to literally speed up times 10. What this will do is cause financial institutions to crumble. This is exactly what I think had a lot to do with the Volkswagen squeeze in 2008. Institutions who short sold on this absolutely got smoked. And it wasn't because of one underlying factor. It wasn't because of the market doing bad. It was because of every single underlying factor that is occurring today. And I just wanted to put this out there in a 1 to 2 minute video for my thoughts on the overall market. As don't think what's happening is going to cause AMC to push to the downside, because that is absolutely not the case. This goes for AMC, this goes for GameStop, and it goes for all of these short squeeze plays that we have on our list. Institutions are about to get fucked. Don't get fucked with bank runs. Don't let banks not let you withdraw your cash, because after the Great Depression, there was a law that occurred, and it's insurance, right? It's insurance that the people can get their money out of banks no matter what, right? The FDIC will get you your money. Overall, for the chart aspect, the SPY is ping-ponging in this channel, which usually breaks out to the upside, but I personally definitely don't think that is the case. In fact, this played out the same exact way in 2008, as you can see right here in the white. With that being said, I do think the SPY has a chance to pop back up to 400 before getting absolutely obliterated to the downside. The levels to the downside we're watching are 350, then this trend line at about 315, and then 300 flat for a bottom. Thank you all for letting us hit 6K subs. Smash that like, hit that subscribe, turn post notifications on, and drop a comment down below what you are doing during this financial crisis. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.